Hello everybody, it's Bella here and I've come to do the giveaway video. So this is what it's all about. So Bella has, welcome to RachandBellaCrafts, Bella's Crafty Studio, and I have at the moment up to date 541 subscribers, and I thank you all so much. I can't believe it. And it's Bella's birthday giveaway. All you have to do is just subscribe and write happy birthday in the comments on this very video, and you're in the draw. I will be doing the giveaway on Sunday late afternoon, so that's all you need to do. And the reason I've said subscribe is because it's only fair to those that already have subscribed that they are the ones that get the first chance. So you must be a subscriber to win this prize. Okay, and I'll show you what's inside in a moment for those of you that haven't seen it. So that's what you have to do. I'll show you that again in a moment. So let's just open. That's what I'm working on my desk later. So here she is. I've made a beautiful little box for her to go in, and I've just collaged all over that. See if I can get her out without doing any damage. And here she is. So there's the box over there. Here's the journal. Let's move that one out of the way because that's not in the drawer. And here she is. She's a sweet little thing. And I'm just going to open it to the first page and let you see the first page. All right? And that's what you will win. So there she is. She's lovely. And if you want to know the measurements, I can tell you. She is, 17 centimeters by 9. 17 centimeters by 9 centimeters. So that's what's going to be up for grabs. I wish you all the luck in the world, and I hope that you'll take part. So lots of love from me. I shall be back soon because I will be doing another video in just a moment. So all you have to do is just subscribe and write happy birthday. That's all. If you want, you can write lots of other things as well if you want to, and it has to be on this very video, and then you're in the draw. And I will be doing the giveaway on Sunday late afternoon. All right? Thanks for joining me. Take care. Have a wonderful day, and love to everybody. Bye.